Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks, I will create the assembly of the engine cylinder piston. Okay, in the previous exercise, I have made all the parts. This is cylinder, piston, connecting rod, crankshaft. I have made in the previous part A exercise, I have made all the parts. Okay, in this exercise, I will create the assembly and later on I will create the animation. Okay, let's start. This is the SolidWorks window. I am file new part assembly. This time I am selecting assembly template. This one. Okay. This is the assembly template. I am firstly closing this window, assembly window closing. Firstly, I am opening all the parts. File, open. This is the engine cylinder assembly. In the previous exercise, I have created all the parts. I am clicking open. I will open all the parts. File, open. Next part, crankshaft, this one. File, open. Third part, connecting rod, this one. Open. File, open. Piston ring, open. File, open. Next is the cylinder. 5 parts I have made in the previous exercise. Now window, you will see all the parts appearing. Assembly, piston, crankshaft, connecting rod, piston rod. These parts I have opened in the background. Okay. Now I go in the assembly. This is the assembly window. Firstly, I am taking plain white background unit system. I am taking same millimeter gram second. You can select any other system as per requirement. Before inserting any part, firstly I creating a sketch here in assembly. Right plane, sketch, this one, and I am draw a center line, this one here. This center line horizontal, okay, out, and one line from here to here. This is the vertical line, this one. Okay, I am giving the dimension. This dimension is the crankshaft length. This is the 144. If you will notice, the crankshaft total length is 144. From here to here, mid of this thing, where I will place the connecting rod. This is the 72 mm. If you will notice, this is this one, and this length I am taking 340 mm. This one. Okay. Firstly, I have created a sketch. In order to locate the crankshaft. Firstly, this is the total length of the crankshaft, and this is the mid portion, 72 mm, where I have drawn a line. Here I place the piston and cylinder. Okay. Total length is 340. This one, 340, and hit right button, and this one, and this is the sketch. Out of the sketch. Now I will, in the assembly window, this is the assembly window, I am inserting the first part. First part is the crankshaft. This is the crankshaft. First part in the assembly, if you bring any part, first part, that is the fix. You can't rotate it here. Okay. Select it, right click, float it. Now it will move. Okay. Now it will move it. Now met. Now select this line, and this line, this face. Make relation concentric, this one. Now this is the concentric with this line. Okay. Now select this face, and this point. This is the coincidence. Now you will see this is located, and you can rotate. I want this position of this crankshaft. Okay. Now cancel. Second, I will insert the piston. Now I will create piston, this one, and hit one. Now if you see the before clicking in the graphic area, the small window comes here. I want to rotate it about Y axis, this one. I want this position. Okay. You will, and click here. This part is coming. Now insert another part. What is the part? Ring. I will place the ring. Ring about, rotate about it, y axis, this one, y and z axis. This is the z axis and y axis. This position I want, this one. Now this one. Now they are the two parts here. Firstly, I will place this ring into this piston rings, in this slot of the piston ring grooves, piston ring grooves. I will place. How? Mat in this box, select outer face, and I will place here. Select outer face or this one, and make the relation concentric. Okay. Now this one, this is concentric with this one. Now another relation. Select the bottom face of this, this one, and what, this is the bottom face of the first piston groove, this one, and hit right button. Coincidence relation. Now this is fit. Okay. Now I will make same. I will copy this ring into these two piston rings. Okay. How? I will cancel it. Insert, go in the this insert component. Copy with mat. Select this ring. This window comes, and this arrow. Click here. This one. This window comes, and first relation is the concentric. Select inner face and coincidence, this one. Now select this face. Okay. Right. Now again another. Select this face and coincidence, this bottom face, this one. Now hit right button, cancel it. These three rings are established. Okay. I have placed all the three rings into these grooves. Okay, piston grooves. Now isometric view, you can take it, isometric view or this one. Now I will insert the piston I have brought, crankshaft I have brought, connecting rod, this one, connecting rod, this one. Now mat this bottom, this die is inside is 30 mm. Select, and this is the concentric relation. Okay. Now it is concentric with this one. Now second advancement, width mat. Select inner faces of this crankshaft, this one and this one. Okay. And in the tab section you select this face and this face, this one, this is the, so this, cancel it. Now this connecting rod is made between this two faces of this crankshaft. Okay. Now mat, another relation. Now this die is 22 mm. Select this face, inner face, and this one, this face, and make the relation concentric. Now this is concentric. Okay. Now what I will do? Now again open this future tree manager. This is a piston right plane, and connecting rod front plane, connecting rod front plane and right plane of the piston. This selected. Now this is the coincidence. Okay. Coincidence relation, and hit right button, cancel it. Now this is this one. Now if you move the piston is moving not in straight line. Okay. How I will maintain it? Now mat, select this line and outer face of the piston, and make the relation concentric, not coincidence, this one. and this one. Now you will see it is moving in this way. Okay. Now one more relation. No. Cancel it. This is okay. This is okay. But met this point, this relation, and this outer face, concentric relation. This one. This I want this one. It should be moved in straight line. Okay. Now, right. Now another part that is the cylinder. Bring this cylinder. Okay. Now, same way, met, select outer face, and this, make relation concentric, not coincidence. This one. Now you will see it will moving in this way. Okay. This is moving in this way. Okay. And select this face, clear, out, this one, and change transparent. This one. Now it is. Now one more relation. You will see this is moving in this way, and this will moving in this way. Okay. One more relation. Mat. This one. Select this point and face of the cylinder. This one. This is the coincidence, but distance is you have to take 10 mm only or 11 mm. Okay. This one. This, and hit cancel it. If you move this one, this is moving in this way. Isometric view or diametric. This one, if you move this one, this is rotating this way. This is rotating in this way. Okay. This is the. Now, for the animation, right click over here, toolbar, motion manager. This. Okay. And motion study. Animation. First select the motion. This is the frames. I am taking only 50 frames. Okay. This one. Now motor, because the motor, select the rotatory motor. Component direction, select this. This is the clockwise direction. Speed, I am taking only 60 RPM. Okay, hit right button. And I am taking this only 10 seconds. First, you have to calculate. This is calculating. And play from start. Now this is play. Okay, this is play. Suppose you want to save this animation from here. Save. You give the suitable name. Suppose you want to give the name engine, cylinder, 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 piston, assembly, ASEMBLY, assembly dot C. Suppose you give some name. Here you can file select file MP4, and here custom ratio. You can select here 16:9. This is the format. Okay. And frame you can change here. From here 50 frames. The path you can select here. Engine, cylinder, assembly. And save it. This one. This is saving. This will save in this one. Okay. In this way you can save the animation. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.